Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into blockchain.com platform. It's a very simple and easy login process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, click on the search bar and search for blockchain.com login. The official blockchain.com website will appear in the search results. Here you can see the login page of the blockchain.com, so click on it. It will directly prompt you to the login page of the blockchain.com wallet. You need to keep in mind that in order to log in for it, you must have already created your account before. If you don't have any account, here you can see the sign up option at the top right corner, so you can create your new account easily. Only after that you can log into your account. In order to log in, here you can see the email field. Click on it. Enter your registered email address. After that, here you can see the password field. Enter your password for this account. Once you enter these details, click on continue. You need to verify your device, so it will send you the verification link on your registered email address. So go to your Gmail and open the latest email from blockchain.com. It has sent me the verification link, so you can simply click on confirm device option. It has verified. Now I can go back, and there you go. Now I'm successfully logged into my blockchain.com account. So that's how you can simply log into blockchain.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.